Hello, it's Brandon Bakes, and today we're going to be baking apple pie crescent rolls. So what you're going to need to do first is preheat your oven to 375. Get a baking tray out and line it with parchment. Get a whole apple and chop it into eighths. A roll of crescent rolls. 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of apple pie spice, and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Alright, what you're going to want to do first now is microwave your butter until it is melted. Alright, the butter just got done, and what you're going to want to do now is pour the butter over your apples. Alright, and now you're going to want to get your 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of apple pie spice, put it in your brown sugar, get a small fork out, and just mix it all together. It smells really good. Now what you want to do is get your crescent rolls onto your baking tray. You gotta open the crescent rolls up. It exploded on me before I even had it unwrapped. But I still got to unwrap it a little bit. Here we go. Pull it out. Roll it out now. So you got to break it apart. Daisy. So we tear it a little bit. You gotta find the triangles on it and then roll them out. Alright, now what you're gonna want to do is get your brown sugar mixture and just sprinkle it all over top of your crescent rolls until you have no more brown sugar left. Alright, I have the cinnamon stuff on it. You gotta add your apple slices to the wide end of your crescent rolls now. And then with your leftover butter that you have, just sprinkle it onto your crescent rolls and just spread it around. Okay. Then you wrap them. I'm going to wrap them now. Some of them you gotta fold the ends in a little bit if they get a little wide, but that's okay because it makes it a little bit easier to wrap. Fold that in, and then wrap. And if you have any stuff left on the sheet, roll your crescent rolls around in it a little bit. Okay. Oops. These are surprisingly a little easy to wrap. Now you put them in your oven. Now you put them in your oven for 10 to 12 minutes. See you then. So the crescent rolls just went off. Let's check if they still need some more time or if they're done. I think they still need a little bit more time. I'll check on them in 2 minutes. Alright, so the timer just went off. Let's see if they're done now. Oh, yep, those are definitely done now. Here we go. There's that. Now, you let them cool for 5 minutes. Alright, now that they're done cooling, I'm going to make a powdered sugar drizzle for them. What you do is you get out some powdered sugar. Just a little bit more. And you get out some milk. And you mix until it's a nice drizzle. And you might have to add a little bit more milk or powdered sugar, depending on how much you put in there. I might have to put a little more powdered sugar in there. Yep. That's okay though. Maybe just a little bit more. That should be enough, I think. And you want it to be nice and thick. And so it like drizzles out of your fork when you lift it up. There we go. It's a pretty good nope, looks like it can still use a little bit more powdered sugar. I can feel it coming along. There we go. Now it's a good mixture. Now you want to get a little bit out. This would probably be easier with a spoon. Get a little bit out and just put it on top. Get a little bit out. Put it on top. Get it out. Put it on top. And just do that to all your crescent rolls. I got a little bit of extra, but that's okay. Now we're going to taste test. Alright, I'm going to try it now, but first, here's a good look at it with the drizzle and the pastry. Let's cut into it. It tastes exactly like an apple pie. Like, crescent rolls aren't exactly like apple pie crust, but right now it tastes exactly like an apple pie. Yeah, that was really good. But if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!